Hello everyone, this is a video tutorial for our social studies lesson number 4. This is a question sheet that is in your work package, so there's 3 questions this week, and I have also included in the choice board the link to the Couch and Tribes Draft Land Use Framework. It's a PDF document that will open up into the web page, so it looks exactly like this. You are going to be only using pages 8 and 13, so I'll show you what pages 8 and 13 look like. We'll go down. So this is page 8 here. So there's information here in the wording that will help you answer the questions. And on page 13, there is a map, this one here, that shows all of the Cowichan reserves all over the valley. So obviously the ones on the left here, Scuts, those are closer towards Lake Cowichan. And then these ones down here are kind of south, so Cobble Hill, Cowichan Bay, that area. So these are the boundaries and the territories of the reserves. Another kind of resource that you can also use if you need to is Google Maps. So just type in Google Maps, open it up, and it's always going to open up to like where you're located. So I'm at school, so it's going to open up into the map just like this. And I'm just going to move the map here a little bit. So what Google Maps shows is the reserve boundaries. So if you can see this kind of greeny gray line here all around, it also comes into town here, goes down. There's a little bit down here too. If you can kind of see that, that is the reserve boundary. So it says Cowichan 1 here. You can see that. If you move the map over, you can see it comes down here a little bit. It goes all the way out here. And if you keep moving over, you can see it comes all the way out here into Genoa Bay. And then if you just go down a bit, you can see this one here, Thiek, Kilpalas, this one. So it mirrors very much that map on the land use document as well. So here we have the Kalakatsa, we'll keep going out, and then the Scuts ones here. So Google Maps actually shows you the reserve boundary lines. So you can also use Google Maps as a resource to answer the questions too. You can see obviously the river runs right through pretty much all of them, except for these southern ones, so Thiek, Kilpalas, but they are right on the ocean here, so their reserves are right oceanfront there. So if you zoom out, it does still show them. It's just a little bit harder because it's now all green, and you lose the names of the southern ones here. But whatever you're comfortable with in terms of using Google Maps, this one just makes it a little bit easier because it names it, and it also kind of has a greenish tint to it as well. So you can use Google Maps as a, like I said, as a resource to answer the questions on your handout for the lesson here. And just let me know if you have any questions or concerns, or you're wondering how to answer the questions. I can walk you through it if you need to. But yeah, use Google Maps and use the Cowichan Tribes Draft Land Use Framework document, pages 8 and 13, and that should help you to answer the questions on this sheet. Okay?